Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now, have you heard about avocado extract in any of the kajal? Little bit interesting, right? For me also it was interesting. So what I did, actually I am talking about MyGlam's superfood kajal. It is this, and it comes exactly kind of an avocado packaging. Now before talking about all these details, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, if you want, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. If you have any other product query or anything, you can DM me on Instagram also. You can follow me over there. I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen, so we can be friends over there on the Instagram. Now before moving with the video, let me please give you some deeds, that is the makeup details, because I get lot of questions. The nail polish which I am having, I have already applied the nail polish. It is from MyGlam itself. It is the Lit collection and it is in the shade Bold Digger. This is the nail polish from MyGlam itself. You all can see, right? This is the nail polish. It comes in this kind of outer packaging. So this is one detail. Secondly, I have applied the MyGlam. That is what the actually video is on MyGlam. So whatever products I am having, still I forgot to apply few of the face products I am having, but I forgot to apply. Nonetheless, I have applied the MyGlam K-Play flavored lip gloss. It is this, and it is in the flavor, I can just tell you, I forgot the name also, Cherry Burst 10. It is this particular lip gloss from MyGlam itself. This is the lip gloss and this is the outer packaging, and this is the lip gloss what I am having on my lips, right? So these are the two basic details I wanted to tell you. I am just keeping everything aside. Now I am just going to talk today about MyGlam Superfoods Kajal. In this they have come up with total 3 shades, and I have altogether all 3 shades. Yes, I have got my hands on all 3 shades. You all can see. These are the 3. One is black, which is already opened. I have already used it, and these are the other 2 kajal. The other is deep brown, and the third one is intense purple. So that these are the 3 total kajals. And actually a few days earlier I have asked you people on my community poll whether you all are interested in this particular product review or no, because this is not, of course, newly launched. It is recent launch, maybe you can say 2-3 month old product, but to my surprise I have seen very less reviews on this particular brand kajal, that is a superfood kajal. So I thought of, why not, if someone is interested in particular shade, then I have ordered all 3 kajals, and I got, I'm going to talk about today in this particular video. When I got this kajal, they were having some buy one get one free BOGO offer. So what I did, I placed order for 2, that is I paid for 2 and I got 1 for free, right? The MRP of actually each kajal is 395 rupees, but they are having right now over here also on packaging also, you all can see 150 off. So definitely this is 150 off. So 349 less 150, so around 295 or 245 rupees you can calculate. That way it is I got this both the kajals on that particular offer, as well as I got 150 off on each particular kajal. If you can hear some background noise of rain or something, then I am extremely sorry. I just started my video and it started raining, so that is my bad luck, that is my hard luck. I don't want to stop the video, I just want to keep on rolling. That is why I will not stop, right? The black kajal is a Raven, the purple kajal is known as Indigo, and the deep brown kajal is known as Amber. Over here they have given you the shade, particular shade, that is here they have given you the shade which kind of finishing, that is what color they are having over here, you all can see, but actual name is over here on the back side. So that is why Raven, Indigo and Amber, total 3 kajals, right? Each kajal contains 0.35 grams. Okay, shelf life is for total 3 years, 2.5 to 3 years, and as I told you 395 but 150 rupees off. So that is what the basic details, and on the back side they have given you each and every detail, and on the kajal itself they have also given you the manufacturing and expiry, because of course keeping this kind of big packaging is not actually feasible and not possible for everyone. So if you want to throw away, you can definitely, this is you can easily keep it in your purse. It's very sleek and slim, and one plus point I liked about this kajal is it is total in pista green kind of color with the shade coded, that is color coded. So if you are having more than 1 kajal like me, over here you all can see the bottom, the ring, the rim, it is color coded. right? It is color coded. So if you are having more than one like me, then definitely it is like you can keep it in the vanity, but you can make out. Okay, on the kajal, I'll just tell you how it is, like how to use and all. Apply to your waterline and lash line to define the shape of your eyes. If you want to go smoky, then draw a thicker line and smudge it at the corners. That is what they have given you. All clean ingredients also they have given you. I have told you the grams and everything. I'll just tell you few of the important points from my phone, because I don't want to miss it out, because sometimes it happens like I'll show you the swatches and all. What I'll do first, I'll swatch it on my hand so that we can give it some time to dry up. I have already opened the one kajal but not opened the two, so I'll just open the two very quickly so that, yeah, now these are the three packaging. This is the bill. Of course, I got this my kajal by my own money, and this is the box. So if at all anyone is thinking that this is sponsored, no, this is not sponsored. I got everything by my own money. And if someone will comment who is going to sponsor you, then I don't say anyone to sponsor me, because I am getting all the products by my own money. Just making it clear. I know y'all are with me, but there are few people. Y'all can see the three kajals together, right? This one is black, this one is indigo, and this one is dark brown. Easily you can make out, right? Okay, now what I'll do is first I'll swatch all three on my hands. We'll give it some time. Let's see whether it is, because they say it is smudge proof and waterproof and water resistant and all. Yes, this is the black. Now I'll apply the brown kajal. This is the brown. It is very smooth, very buttery, very soft, so it won't tug and pull on your eyes, as well as on your waterline also it won't tug and pull. And this is the indigo. Definitely unique color. Y'all can see. The first one is black, the middle one is brown, and the third one is indigo. Purposely I have applied little bit darker. If you want to see one stroke, I'll just show you. This is the one stroke application. Can you see? I'll just show you again the second kajal, the brown kajal. I'm just doing in front of me. Can you see? This is one stroke application. Of course I cannot see because I'm keeping my hand that way. So, and this is one stroke application. It is very smooth, very buttery, and let me tell you, it is a retractable kajal. You don't have to sharpen it. I'll just show you how much product. Don't do this because I just wanted to show on camera. That is why I'm doing it, but you don't do it. This is the product what you are going to get in this particular kajal. This much is the product. Okay, I'll just safely push it inside. This is a retractable kajal. Right, now I have shown you the swatches and all. Now what we'll do is we'll just keep it for some time, let it rest. Either we'll smudge this or we'll try to smudge this, whatever. We'll just give it some time. By the time I'll just read whatever claims they are having on their app. Particularly they say contains nourishing avocado oil extracts, already on my phone. Okay, enriched with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, long lasting for up to 12 hours, intense smooth pigment, easy glide on application, suitable for contact lens wearers. They specifically say that if you are wearing contact lens, then also you can apply this. It is suitable for you, it is suitable for all. Ophthalmologically and dermatologically tested, safe to use on waterline, because few of the kajals are like you cannot use on waterline, but this kajal is safe to use on your waterline as well as on your lash line, so there is no problem for that. It is cruelty free, vegan, paraben free, phthalate free, SLS free, alcohol free, mineral oil free, gluten free, and contains natural extracts. That is what they have specified everything. Now in this there are three key three key ingredients. That is avocado oil, that is superfood extracts, nourishes and hydrates your eyes, making them feel soothed. Second one is vitamin E. You all know the benefits of vitamin E, so I don't have to tell you much about vitamin E, but it prevents irritation and makes the kajal suitable for the contact lens wearers as well. And the third thing is sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is an antioxidant that helps to protect sensitive eyes. That are the three main key ingredients, right? Now what I'll do is I'll just first go and apply one of the kajal. That is why I have not applied anything on my eyes. I'll just go and apply the black one on my, no, what we'll do, first we'll apply the brown one, because that one is going to be the lightest one. So if I'll remove, then it won't leave any stains or something. What I'll do is first I'll apply the brown one on my waterline as well as on my lash line, and I'll come with some water also just to check the water test also. So I'll just go and come back. Yes, now I have applied the brown one on my upper eyelid, that is on my lash line, and the lower lash line. You all can see. I'll just try to come little bit close by. I have applied purposely a thicker line on my upper lash line so that you all can see how it applies. This is the brown one. It is very soft, light brown color, not very dark or not very stark brown or something. It is very light but applies very smoothly. One pro tip, whatever is required, just remove that much only from the tube. If you will remove more than that, then it will break, because this is very soft, very buttery. Now what I'll do is I'll just try to like smudge with the fingers, because that is what we are over here for, smudge proof and all test. We'll just do it and then I'll go back and I'll apply the second one, but first we'll check the test. So this is actually, I have applied 3-4 layers. So first we will try to use my finger and try to smudge the single layer. This is the black one, it's not smudging. This is the brown one, not smudging, nothing is coming on my hand. And this is the third one. See, y'all can see nothing is coming, like it is there. Okay, now I'll try to smudge this darker shades, that is the, not darker shades, I'll try to smudge this where I have applied 3-4 strokes. So again, nothing, this brown, nothing, and this purple, nothing, right? So like smudge proof, yes, definitely. Now we will just check water resistant. I'll just try to put some water. Right? See, it is like water is gliding but without any color. So definitely water resistant, yes. Now I have just dipped my finger in water. I have taken just little bit of water. I'll just pour again some water and I'll try to smudge. Waterproof. So yes, this is waterproof. Of course, I have not rubbed it vigorously. In any case, we never rub vigorously on the eyes, because of course it is eyes. We never do like very harshly, but then definitely you all can see I'm doing in front of you also. You all can see. And this is plain water. This is not any kind of makeup remover or something. This is plain water. So definitely waterproof, water resistant and smudge proof. Yes, all three is passed. Now you will say, what is the staying power? For me, this kajal, the black one, stayed put there for more than 12 hours. But of course, I had applied in the morning, and by the evening, I was actually just going to cook the food and also I removed my kajal and everything, because I never wanted anything to go in my eyes. Of course, this is natural extract, but I just wanted to remove my makeup, whatever was there on my face. I just wanted to clean everything. So what I did, I just removed everything. So before, you can say almost 10 hours I have tried, and till 10 hours it was there intact. So definitely you can say ki, of course it will go more than 12 hours, because if it remains for me on 10 hours, then definitely for you it will be more, because I know my activity, I know my work schedule, I know my routine. So definitely I can vouch on that. That is, I can give you a little bit assurance from my side. Definitely don't call me for it, because if your eyes are watery or something, then it will come off from your eyes. I cannot go on that, because my eyes are not watery. My eyes like normal, like I don't have water or something problem in my eyes. So that is I wanted to tell. Now I'll just go off the camera. I'll apply now the indigo one. Okay, I'll apply the indigo one, and I'll come back, because then black will be the darkest one. So I'll go and apply the indigo one and I'll come back. Yes, I've applied the indigo one. A little bit disappointed with the indigo one, because over here it is showing like little bit dark, but when I applied the concealer, yes, I do have to apply concealer because my eyelids are little bit on darker brown side, so I have to apply concealer, apply powder, and then I can, like any kajal or different color will show up on my eyelid. But I have tried to do the justice. I'm not sure how much it will pick up, but I have tried to do the justice, and I have tried to apply the thickest layer, whatever thickest layer it was possible for me. I have tried to do that, but if you see over here, I don't know, maybe it is in my mind, I'm not sure, the indigo color, that is this particular color, is not grabbing that powerfully on my eyes. I'm not sure why, because over here it is showing up very nicely, and somehow I feel brown and indigo for me on my upper eyelids, I am feeling like kind of similar. That is what I am feeling. I'm not sure. You'll just see once again. This is the indigo one. I've already shown you the brown one earlier. So can you see? On my waterline also I have applied. Over here, can you see? On my waterline also I have applied, but I have applied very light line, because I don't like to smudging and all, as I have little bit problem of dark circles and all, so I don't smudge generally kajal on my lower lash line. So this is what I have tried to do it, and I have already applied the umber one. Umber, that is the brown one. First that, this is the indigo one, this is the second one. Now I'll go and I'll apply the third one, that is the raven, that is the black kajal. I just go and come back. Yes, now I've already applied the third one, that is the raven one on my eyes. Let me confirm. Yeah, raven one on my eyes. I'll just try to come little bit closer and I'll try to show you the eye swatch. That is how it applies and all. Over here I have messed up little bit, but then I never wanted to go off again and do it again, because I've already done 3 swatches and I never wanted to hurt my eyes, and like I never wanted to waste the time also for, like, I never wanted to do all that again. So little bit messed up, but then it's okay. Main thing is the swatch, and y'all can easily see the swatch. Right now, if you will ask me my final thought whether you can go for it or no, then definitely I will suggest yes, you can go for it. Then you will say, Meghna, it is little bit expensive. I will say yes, it is little bit expensive. That is keeping the price factor, I think 245 rupees. After 150 discount also it is 245 rupees, but then if you are getting buy one get one free, then that time you can go and get the product. You and your friend can share, you can select the shades also. It's not that you have to take one shade at a time. You can take 2 black, 2 indigo, 2 raven or 2 amber, whatever shades you prefer, you can do that way, and you can share the money that way also, you can save. Secondly, you will ask me, Meghna, whether we can go for all 3. Black and brown are pretty common. Indigo one is little bit different, but definitely we should not expect kind of neon effect or something. These are kajal. So basically kajals are meant to be applied, the main purpose, basically makeup is actually multifunctional. You can apply whatever product wherever you want, but the main purpose of kajal is to apply on your waterline. But still, this kajals, these are like multi-purpose kajal, and we can apply on a upper lash line also. So keeping that factor in mind, if you will ask me, you can go for this indigo one. It is quite good color, good payoff. But over here, what payoff you are getting if you will apply on your eye, and if you will see, you won't, as per me, it was not that similar. I don't know, somehow, because my eyelids are little bit on a darker brown side, so I had to apply concealer and then I had to go for it. But then if you are someone who doesn't have that problem, then I think this color will definitely show up. So you will ask me whether I am regretting buying this. No, I am not regretting buying all this, because I have got all this for you, just for you all to see the swatches in one video to get the idea, and we can do the test and all together. Now you will ask me whether I was in need of this kajals. No, I already have more than 12 kajals in my vanity, 3 more added. But for you all, anything, anytime. Right? So I think you have got my point, whatever I want to say. But still, if you have any query or anything to ask me, definitely you can leave a comment in the comment section, or else you can leave me a DM on Instagram also. I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. And if you have any other video suggestions, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, I'm wrapping up for today. If you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, please don't go without subscribing and without giving it a like. Also, don't forget to comment. And if at all you feel my swatches were not good, like it was not proper or something, then I always say I'm not a pro at makeup. I'm trying to do my level best to show you the swatches. I do not use any kind of filters. I do not use any kind of in short filters on in my videos. I never. And whatever videos you are watching, I make in one shot. Just for the application, I go off the camera, I come back. I never do any kind of editing. Keep that point also in mind. Okay, yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.